Hi, I have here a few things to talk about. So first of all, I have here two component testers. One is called TC1, the other has no name. One of them has a built-in battery, the other you have to install 9-volt battery. I have here electronic load for a high power. I think it is about 150 watts, and it should be more accurate than the other models that I talked about, which is this. But the basic of both is the same. Also a Nitecore LA30 flashlight, and I assume that the electronics inside this component matter, and this one that can measure. It starts from resistors, capacitors, inductors, MOSFET, thyristors, bipolar transistor, and more. I expect both to have same electronic inside, but I will open and try to check it, verify it. This electronic load should be much more accurate than the other one by the specification. Although the principle is the same, you can see that you have, maybe I will try to zoom inside the PCB, only one MOSFET, and the load, it looks like the load is just a wire here beneath, and you have a PWM on this wire, and by this you can determine what is the actual current that is consumption out. It also have an ability by the manual to calibrate it, which is interesting. We'll check if it is working and how. And overall it's a very good price. But I will start to talk about first let's talk about the LA30, which is a Nitecore flashlight. So let's open the box, see what we have inside. Like all Nitecore things, we have a charging cable, a rubber, a spare rubber to use, and the flashlight. What is special about this flashlight? First of all, that it has a built-in rechargeable battery, but also capability to input another batteries except the one that is already installed inside. Let's try to open it and see how it goes. So as you can see, I can load 2 AA batteries, but even when the batteries are not there, it is working because it has a built-in battery. So you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 levels of light, and with double press you have a red light and another intense of the same red light. So 2 levels of red light, and also you have a blinking, I see, probably an SOS like all Nitecore. So very nice flashlight. The rubber is the spare rubber in order to protect it from water, of course, and rain. And also you have an ability, you have a magnetic case. This side of the flashlight is magnetic, so you can put it on a metal, and if the metal is big enough, it will catch it without any problem. Let's see if I have here, and yes, I have something that it looks like metal to me, so you can put it on the metal and it's okay. Also you have this piece of metal to catch it, and that's all. And this is the charging plug. So you charge the inside battery. By the way, I'm not sure if I believe it also charged the AA battery, but I have to check. I'm not sure about it. So this is the LA30 Nitecore flashlight.